Hey everybody, it's time for dinner with Dad. Hope you're doing well. Thanks for watching. Tonight, again, we're trying a new recipe for us. Who doesn't love a good Caesar salad? I really like Caesar salads. Not with any fishy stuff in it. No anchovies or, because they, you know, Callie, sometimes you can get Caesar salads with like
I
fish.
didn't know that. That is disgusting.
It's disgusting. So, not doing that. But, and we're not even having a salad tonight, but what we're having is a chicken dish called Chicken Caesar Bake, okay? So it's quite easy. So I have my 4 chicken breasts here. So I'm going to take them.
And they're thawed?
They are thawed. They're a little moist. But, ooh, almost made a mistake. I'm gonna spray my 9 by 13. Man, I've had several fatal mistakes. Callie, you didn't know this because right before this, Callie was having a piano lesson. But I was bringing in stuff in my refrigerator in the garage and I dropped a thing of sour cream. It busted all in here on this carpet, like this rug that we have leading from our garage into our mud laundry room area. And then I was trying to clean it up and then I dropped this on it.
So now you're flustered.
I'm a little flustered, but
good thing we have a simple meal for tonight.
it is simple, yes.
And
So
hopefully delicious.
I think it will be. I hope so. I mean, I don't know. But it's pretty simple. We have pretty good luck with baking chicken. Comes out usually pretty well. So I'm going to put my 4 chicken breasts. And they're 4 roughly the same size except for this one.
It's the runt.
It's the runt. And I'm going to liberally season these with quite a bit of salt and pepper. We're going to do something a little different tonight that we've never done before. We're going to chop, what?
Or just something new. It's
Yes.
exciting.
We're going to chop up fresh parsley. I bought fresh parsley. Now I always use dried parsley, but I thought this recipe calls for fresh, and a couple others that I'm doing this week call for fresh parsley, and so I thought, you know, let's just get some fresh parsley. And I just watched a YouTube video on how to chop it up. And so we'll talk about that in a minute. So I'm going to turn these over and season the other side as well. Lots of salt. What are you doing on these hot summer days? It has turned hot here in
The day of
Cincinnati.
filming, it's the 24th of June.
24th of June, 6 months till Christmas Eve.
That's right.
6 months to the day. We just passed the summer solstice. I think I'm out of pepper in this thing. Of course I am. This is the day I'm having. Da 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 da. I gotta get the pepper. My spice rack. Look at my spice rack. My spices are all here. I'm a little depleted right now, but this was a Christmas gift to organize our pantry. They're all alphabetized.
Of course. There's no other way.
Now if they could just open. Okay. So I don't know what I was saying.
You're talking about it's a beautiful day, summer solstice.
Just had the summer solstice, so these nice long days, but they're getting shorter now. Interesting fact, Callie, how many hours difference is light between the summer solstice and the winter solstice do we have?
5.
5. Well, you're close.
Is that right?
It's, I just saw this the other day somewhere on social media, so you know it's true. It's like over 6 hours, the difference.
Wow.
Between like right around now and then like right around Christmas time. 6 hours of daylight, isn't that something?
I don't know, contrary to, I don't know, what most people like, I kind of like when it gets dark
Oh, I
earlier.
do too. I mean, I like summer, but
I like the
it.
summer, but I like the darkness of winter.
Okay, so now we're gonna make our sauce that goes over our chicken. And so this is a Caesar chicken, so I bought Caesar dressing. I'm a little worried about this dressing, and on second thought, I probably should not have bought the cheapest Aldi, because I don't really like the Aldi salad dressings.
Can Ben have that?
Yeah, because this is cooked. And now our son
Not
is
to-
allergic to eggs.
Not to, you know.
But he can have eggs that are cooked in things, so he'll be fine. And what's the worst gonna happen?
He'll just
can
throw
up
up.
at dinner.
It's fine.
Oh, it's got one of these things on here.
How long in the comments will it take him to open this salad dressing? Put it in the comments. I'll have a correct answer on the screen. If you get it,
dentists are watching.
if you get it right, I'll give you a thumbs up in the comments.
Oh, why does it have to be so hard? I mean, I just don't understand.
All right, you finally got it off. Now, seriously,
Now let me taste it.
Put your thing. I'll let you know.
It's actually pretty good, so I feel better about that. Okay, so what you need is a cup of Caesar salad dressing. So a cup Caesar salad dressing. I want to get it all out, so I'm going to use my squeegee.
That's not a squeegee.
I know. It has the same.
It's a rubber spatula.
It is a rubber spatula, but you know, it works like a squeegee.
Okay.
Okay, and now I need a half a cup of sour cream. I like to stir up my sour cream because it kind of stiffens up in the fridge. So this is a half a cup, I believe, yes. Okay. I'm following this recipe exactly because I'm not doubling it or 50%ing, upping it 50%. Just doing exactly what it says today.
For the first time ever.
I mean, I'm not like measuring like uber, but you know. I know I'm always seems to be like making more than what the recipe calls for. Usually because I just have more meat or more hamburger or whatever I'm doing, more chicken or whatever that it calls for. So whatever. Okay. A half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Half a teaspoon of garlic powder. And a cup of shredded Parmesan.
How much is in the bag? You might be able to just like...
1.5 cups.
And it's open. I bet that's a cup right there.
Well, let's see. Pretty much. See, I added stuff. And now I'm supposed to whisk all this together. Is that what it says? Yes. So I'm going to whisk all of this loveliness together.
It kind of reminds me of our southern cheesy sour cream chicken.
Yeah, except not at all.
Really? Not at all?
I mean, it kind of does, I guess.
It kind of reminds me, I don't know. I guess I'll have to see when we taste it. But it seems along the same like flavor profile kind of thing.
The sour cream. I've never cooked with Caesar dressing. Or any really salad dressing, have I?
I mean, we've done ranch, have we? Used not salad dressing.
I've used ranch packets, seasoning packets.
But have we in videos? I don't know.
I don't know. I don't think so.
I don't think
It's all running together. We have so many videos now.
I know.
So now what you do is you simply take this lovely sauce that we've made and you just spoon it over the chicken breasts. I'll even it out, but I'm just going to lump it out here in big clumps at first.
And you put all of it on there.
All of it. Seems like a lot, doesn't it?
It does. What?
But I followed the recipe, except I added, you know, a little more cheese. But
do you want your frosty microphone?
my frosty microphone, my rubber spatula. Actually, I think I'm gonna be able to get it all out here with the spoon. Yeah, this seems like a lot of sauce. I mean, a lot.
And your chicken breasts are rather large, I have to say.
They are rather large.
So I don't know. It smells good.
It does smell good. Now, you have the sauce on there, and then you're supposed to add about...
How long will it take him to open it? Again, I will have a number on the screen, and if you guess correctly, I will give you a prize. I mean, just like a like in the comments. I'll give you. I'll like your comment.
What kind of prize are you going to get?
I'm gonna give you a like. That is the best prize.
That's right. So then you take a little bit of Parmesan cheese and you just put it on top like this. Again, the shredded is what you're going for, not the grated for this. And it's roughly a half a cup, but I'm just,
Of course.
Of course. And then the recipe says to add some extra salt and pepper on the top.
You don't have any pepper?
Oh, I do here. And then when it comes out, we're gonna have freshly chopped parsley.
Oh my.
Oh my!
O-M.
So the oven is preheated at 375 degrees, and I'm gonna pop this in for, don't mind me, 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Well, that seems simple enough.
Yeah. Timer, 30 minutes. Now, as a side item, I'm not gonna show you all the details of the side item because I've made it before. But,
so you can check out the video that's on the screen if you want to learn how to make this side.
I'm making the cheesy cauliflower rice. We made it about a week ago, and we absolutely loved it. So
on this video, right here. It's gonna be there.
Okay, great.
I just can't remember right now which one it is.
Yeah, we'll have to figure it out. But that's what we're having. But yeah, you can check out that video to learn how to make it, the cheesy cauliflower rice.
It is
it'll be
very delicious.
It's our favorite. All right, phone's ringing, and it's time for us to let this chicken bake for a minute. In a minute, I'm gonna come back though, and we're gonna chop up some fresh parsley. All right, so I pulled my parsley leaves off. I don't really know how much I need, but I need quite a bit for the rice, so I think I pulled a bunch. So what's left over, there's still a lot on here, right? I mean, Mr. Parsley, hello. We just put it back in our bag, and then back in our crisper drawer in the refrigerator, right? Yes. So, then you just chop it up. Just gather it all together. This is what they did on the video. And they just chopped it up. I'll try not to cut my fingers off, so I'll use the whole knuckles technique here. I don't know that I'm doing a very good job. Again, first time for everything here. I don't want my parsley to be too big. I'm not cutting up parsley to garnish.
Mouthful of
Right,
parsley.
I want it to be like spice size.
Yeah.
But I don't want to, puree it in the food processor thing. Wow, it just keeps growing. It's like the story in the Bible, the woman with her oil just keeps coming. It's like, where's it all coming? It's like multiplying.
Like the fish and
Yes.
the bread.
Oh, my timer's going off because my rice is ready, but I'll get that in a second. No hurry. We still have 15 minutes on our chicken.
Now I think you should just chop.
Yeah, I'm just going to do this. This is kind of a lot of parsley, I think.
Kind of is.
It's not as fragrant. It's fragrant, but it's not as fragrant as like cilantro. So, this would be a lot of cilantro. And I love me some cilantro. I'm probably mumbling, aren't I, Callie?
You are.
Sorry.
I guess you'll just never know.
Turn the volume up on your phone or on your computer.
It's not how it works. I already amplify your sound by 100% every video.
Aren't you amazing?
I am.
Actually, I think this is pretty good. So, I'm just gonna let this wait here for a while. And then when our chicken is done, we're gonna sprinkle a bunch on the top.
Looks like we still have 15 minutes.
15 minutes or so
We'll
on the chicken.
see you then.
We'll be back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's been 30 minutes. Look at our pretty Caesar chicken. Looks pretty, doesn't it?
It does.
Looks creamy. I'm gonna check and see if it's done using my handy dandy meat thermometer. Ooh, looks like we are. We want anything above 160. I'll just check a couple places here. Oh yeah, easily. This one might be the thickest one, so let me check this one. Yes, great. So what I'm gonna do, it's already turning brown a little bit, but I'm just gonna put it in the broiler for just like 2 minutes, just to brown it a little on top. See you in 2. It's been 2 short minutes. Oh, I want to turn this off. I always worry about hitting my hands on the broiler. Oh, yes. Perfect.
Oh, it really did brown it.
Yeah, just a little bit of browning. It looks nice. And now we're going to take our chopped parsley. I put some of them in our cheesy rice. You want to get a picture of that, Callie?
Sure.
You've seen us make it before, but that parsley looks really nice in there. And so I'm just going to take some of our fresh parsley, and I'm going to just drizzle it on.
I think sprinkle is a better
Yeah, you're right.
word for that.
Drizzle will be more for the liquid type of matter.
Yes. How many types of matter are there, Dad?
Lots and lots.
4.
Guess what?
Solid, liquid, gas,
Guess what?
plasma.
I don't care.
It's okay.
Okay. Isn't that pretty? Take a picture.
I will.
Let me plate it up. So I'm gonna get one of the chicken breasts like this. Lovely. And then I'm going to put on some cheesy cauliflower rice.